Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix the ghost touch problem on your Redmi 13. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and check your screen protector and a case. So if you got a case, then make sure that it's not covering the parts of the screen because it can cause the ghost touches. Basically, a ghost touch is whenever you don't make a touch, then your screen makes one for you. And that's not good, it's overall bad, and I recommend checking the case first if it's covering any parts of the screen right here at the edges, at the bottoms, on the corners. And if your screen protector is misaligned or is just not fitting properly onto your device, then I recommend removing it and seeing if that makes any difference. Now, for the next step, you guys can clean the screen to remove any debris or moisture, so I recommend using the microfiber cloth. It's the best way of cleaning your screen, so just give it a few good swipes, don't go too hard on the device, just swipe it, and now our screen looks beautiful. So after cleaning it, what you guys can do is check for software updates to fix any touch glitches. So unlock your phone. After you unlock it, go to settings, and here go to About Phone. Click on HyperOS or Update. I recommend clicking on HyperOS because here you can see which update is available. As you guys can see, I got an update from HyperOS 1 to HyperOS 2, and if I want to install that update, then I'll just click on Download Update, wait for it to download and extract onto my device, and after that I'll just restart my phone because everything will be ready. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.